Hello lovelies! So today I have something fun for you, and that is another Witch's Moon unboxing. I am a little bit behind with this one. I need to get caught up. Can't let myself slip again. But we are going to get right into this one. Oh, it does feel like a long time since I've done one of these, and I am very, very excited. These always bring me so much joy. So let's open it up together. Ooh, we have like a kind of dark purple theme going on here. This is what we've got right on top. It's so nicely presented. Okay, so the first thing we have is a little sachet of what looks like rose petals, and it says Queen of Flowers on there, which I would again assume to be rose, but we will find out at the end anyway. Can't really smell a lot coming off of it, but I was just doing a perfume review right before this, so subtle smells are probably going to be dead to my nose for a little while. But yeah, so I'm going to guess these are rose petals, but we will see. Oh, almost missed right on top. It was stuck to the lid. So we have our artwork this month, and it is this right here. Very, very pretty. And it says Triple Goddess at the top. So you have the Maiden, the Mother, and the Crone. And this is just really beautiful. Let's have a closer look for a moment. Oh. So yeah, that is absolutely lovely as always. I'll have to read this later. And right here, ooh. Right here we have our little sort of pamphlet of contents, so I'll read this at the end, so if there's anything that I don't know during the video, I will know by the end. Don't you worry, hang on tight. So I'm going to pop that there. So we have our personalized oracle reading, which I believe is what these usually are. And this one says, embracing change. With every loss, I understand that something new is about to be birthed beyond what I can imagine. So that is lovely. Oh, and I think it's very fitting for autumn. Even if I am late, that is very fitting for right now, because whenever autumn comes around, I am just rejuvenated and like wanting to just make changes and just refresh everything. I have a bunch of fun ideas coming for the channel. It's all just good. So let's see. So we had the Queen of Flowers. Next up we have some jasmine, which I always love to get because I love jasmine. Oh, I can smell that. So yeah, it's just like a cute little bag of Jasmine Buds. Always good to top up the herb supplies. People sometimes like ask me what I use them for and stuff. I would like use them a lot in baths and such. A lot of the time I'll use my herbs and things in baths, assuming that they can be. And then the other thing we have here is raspberry leaf. So it's just a little bag of raspberry leaf. Okay, we have our salt this month, which again I love. I have like all of these in my bathroom just lined up along the tops of the shelves. And this salt is the Maiden. Ooh, and it's full of little flower petals. It looks very pleasant indeed. Let's have a sniff. Ooh. Oh, I do really, really like that. It is like a very like soft, sweet floral smell, which I adore. I'm excited to use this. I can definitely see some jasmine buds in there, and I think I can also smell the jasmine. And then what looks like some rose, and I'm not really sure what else, but this is lovely. Next up, this little purple bag is calling to me. Ooh, what's in here? It is! Ooh! So I don't know if this is maybe Amethyst. I will find out at the end, but it definitely looks that way to me. So it's like actually a very flat piece. So yeah, it's like a very flat piece, but then it's just like crusted with these little crystals, which is lovely. That's the back. And that is the crystally side. Very, very pretty. Next calling to me is whatever this big old bundle right here is. I am interested in this. Ooh, I feel like there might be something oily in there, because if you can see, it looks like there's been a bit of a leak or something. I mean, nothing. Oh, no, do you know what I think that is? I think that might be the oils from this incense have leaked through, which by the way, oh, this is a nice one. I have no idea what that smells like, but it smells really good. Oh, we'll have to find out. But yeah, I think it might just be the oils from this, like, sort of seeped into the paper, because this is fine. It doesn't look like it's actually going to be anything oily at all. So let's have a little look-see. So it's like a really cool little statue. So this is what it looks like on one side. And then on the other side, it has like a tree. So, and it has like the sort of triple thing at the top. That's really, really cool. I don't know if I want to put this in my bedroom or my living room, but this is really, really nice. I love this. Oh, I love this box, guys. Oh, what are you? Oh, is this a spray? I love when we get sprays. Hold on. Oh, so this is a Come To Me spray, which I think we've either had a Come To Me oil or a Come To Me salt. I want to say it was an oil. So this is it in spray form, I suppose. Either that or it just happens to share a name. Ooh, that's nice. It's like very, it's a very soft, subtle kind of scent, but it is very fresh. That's very pleasant. I like this a lot. It seems like the smell seems to get stronger when it's kind of dispersed a little bit. So yeah, this is Come To Me Aura Spray. Love it. And now I can taste it. This, I assume, is our spell candle of the month. I believe it says Goddess Within, and it's like a very pretty pinky purple with like rose petals and stuff stuck to it. Has that great beeswax smell, which I love because it is of course a beeswax candle. Oh, this is just lovely, and then the little thing wrapped around it is our spell. This appears to be our oil for the month. Oh my goodness, I just ripped that bag right open. I was obviously too enthusiastic. And this oil is Freya. And it has, I can see jasmine buds, rose petals, and what looks like little pieces of tin foil, but I'm assuming it is probably more like gold leaf or something. We'll find out in just a moment. I thought it was tin foil for a moment. If you can see. Oh, this is lovely. It's a really, really beautiful floral smell again, which just, I adore. And then we have one more thing, which is whatever this little box is. Ooh! So this is a lovely necklace. Let's have a look at this. Look how pretty! That is just beautiful, and it's on like a sort of, I don't know if it's real leather, but you know, like one of those sort of like leather effect cords, and it's just lovely. Okay, so let's have a little read through. So this box is the Goddess Energy box. And in this box we got Sacred Spiral Goddess Altar Statue. Yes, that is this lovely thing right here. We've included a beautifully symbolic goddess statue in this collection to bring and sustain goddess energy into your sacred space. Crescent Moon Goddess Pendant with necklace. Yes, I just showed you that. We are so honoured to be able to include this custom moon goddess pendant specifically made for the witch's moon. Come To Me Magical Aura Spray. Come To Me is a powerful statement when working intentional magic. The intention itself sends your power into the universe, bound to return. And it has patchouli, amber and white tea oils. Also include a special mixture of our Come To Me magic oil into this spray from the personal cabinet of witchery. Lovely. Goddess Within Enchanted Spell Candle. Yes, we got that. We handcrafted this spell candle with the purpose of awakening the goddess within and allowing yourself to connect with her powerful energy. Sorry. This candle has been rolled in petals of the Enchanted Rose as well as anointed with jasmine essential oils. And we've also included a special mixture of our passion oil. Freya Magical Anointing Oil. This magical anointing oil has been created with the intention of enhancing the passion that flows through your life. We have enchanted this oil with jasmine, rose and white tea essential oils and have included jasmine buds, rose petals and leaf of gold as well. Inside your oil you will find a Lemurian quartz said to personify oneness into your aura. The Maiden Goddess Sacred Salt. As you sink into the beautiful aromas of this sacred salt, visualize a bright white light consuming your aura and expanding around you. We've enchanted this sacred salt with vanilla, jasmine and white tea, as well as rose petals, jasmine buds and marigold herb. We've also included a special mixture of our goddess magical oil from our personal cabinet of witchery. Amethyst cluster. It was indeed amethyst. The beauty of amethyst has been prized for its connection to the divine for thousands of years. Worn as a symbol of royalty and beauty, amethyst is a must-have stone for any witch or practitioner of magic. Wisdom of Amber Incense, that's what the incense was. Musky floral scent of amber is a great facilitator in seeking truth and wisdom during any rituals that deal with love or desire. Queen of Flowers, so that's the herb. Tied to association with emotions, rose petals have been deemed the queen of flowers, yeah. Used in love potions and sachets since the beginning of herbal remedies. Raspberry leaf, known to protect those that carry a loving intention. Raspberry leaf has been a great companion to the pure and innocent. Jasmine buds. Jasmine is a beautifully fragrant flower that assists in attracting spiritual love rather than physical. Personalized oracle reading. We've meditated and selected a card from the Soulful Woman Guidance Oracle deck. Parchment paper, which we always get in the back of this little pamphlet. And the Triple Goddess Book of Shadows artwork. Yes, so we got everything. Oh, so this was a lovely box. I very, very much enjoyed this. So I hope you enjoyed watching this as much as I enjoyed unboxing it. All the links that you need will be down in the description below. Leave me a little comment and tell me your favourite thing about autumn, since we have just got into it and I am very excited. Or even if you can't name one thing, maybe like your top 5 favourite things about autumn, because I know asking for one thing is tough. Before you go, do please consider checking out my Patreon. It is the best way to support this channel and I appreciate everyone who does so very much. If you haven't seen it before, just click the link below and have a little peek and see if it's something you'd be interested in. And if you do join, come and join our personal Discord, talk to me and the other lovelies, make some new friends, just have a good time. It's fun over there. We're a family and I love it. If this is your first time watching this channel, consider checking out some other videos, see if you like them, maybe consider subscribing and joining us permanently. And finally, don't forget you can get your very own Toxic Tears merch. We have t-shirts, we have hoodies, we have vests, we have backpacks, we have cute pillows, and there will be some new designs coming soon, so do check that out. And that is everything for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for spending the day with me. I hope your day is going absolutely wonderfully, and I will see you next time. Bye, lovelies!